Guys, this is by far the most epic pickup I've ever done. Let me show you. Good morning, you guys. My name is Paul. Welcome back to another video. Today is January 7th, and we got 5 vehicles to pick up. Delivered, and the reason I parked them this way, we inventory them. So 2012, 2016. It is 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go get 4 to 5 hours of sleep and headed out to Peoria, Illinois, and then Des Moines, Iowa, and then Sioux Falls, and then back home. So we'll have a good trip tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So we got an Accord 16, Odyssey 16, Odyssey 12, and Odyssey 13. Good looking vehicles. That one is kind of worse. It's just high mileage, but I needed that door. So that's pretty much why. I could honestly just repair this one and sell it. 166, nah, not gonna do that. So these are the new vehicles for the year. I know some of you think I'm quitting. That was just the video to prove to y'all that this ain't as easy as it looks. And to make it work, you gotta fight for it. So I got those two. I'm gonna pick up another 2002 Avalon in Springfield tomorrow. Still got this Cadillac, got this Fusion, and another Cadillac. That's not mine, that's just the neighbor's, but got 3 of these. So I'm gonna go tomorrow pick up that car, and we're gonna start getting some new things going. So we're gonna start, I want to hit $1 million in sales this year, and I want to list 20,000 items. So I already hired one person, and I think I'm gonna hire one more just to help me out. And picking up 2 more vehicles, driving through almost in Lincoln, Nebraska. I'm glad I don't live here or anywhere near all this stuff. Look at this all. I'm very happy that I live in my Missouri, where we don't see this stuff all the time. Because I guess whenever you're like single, this doesn't really matter. But whenever you have kids, all this winter stuff, not my favorite. So let's go pick up a car. It's a Sienna 2011. Got it for a pretty good deal. And then we got another one that we got to go to Omaha. It's going to be an Odyssey. So let's pick up the one in Lincoln and then head to Omaha. I'll see. Guys, this is by far the most epic pickup I've ever done. Let me show you. It's not the car, it's the weather. I've never been on the auction in a blizzard. It's currently like 30 degrees, 60 miles per hour wind gust. I don't know how you guys can hear me, but the most epic pickup of all time. I'm just joking. Got one more to pick up about 40 minutes away. This one's in Lincoln, Nebraska, and I'm headed to Omaha, Nebraska. So catch you guys there. And any questions, leave those in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.